Hey YouTube, Mark with Ultimate RC doing potentially a crazy thing here. Not crazy, but I just got done with running the Colorado FMP10. I expected to have a little more lights when I got done with that. I also expected it to be a little less windy. It's not bad. So I probably got 10-15 minutes of light. It's January, just after New Year's. We never really get the opportunity to fly because it's usually really cold. It's about 30 degrees, so we're gonna take that, at least with a prop plane. Okay, see if I can get a flight in. I like this plane because it's fairly tame on the runway, even though it's a Warbird. And just what the doctor ordered for flying when you haven't done much of it. Got my gloves on. I'm in safe. Let's put the flaps up. There we go. Whoa, tree dip. Now, looks like sun's about ready to go down. See if we can. Ooh, she is definitely a little bit breezy than I thought. We're in AS3X mode for the moment. We'll see how long I stay there because I don't have. Oh. And I think we've got some pulsation on the battery. Doesn't like the cold. Oh, tree. Oh. Tree. Well, certainly didn't like full throttle. Let's bring it around. We'll see if I post this. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it. We'll see. Let's see if we can see it. I think I've been outside in the cold for too long. We're gonna go with no flaps on the. We're gonna see if we can get a couple of touch and goes in here. Don't need a lot of battery for that. Mostly a south wind coming in. Mostly down the runway. Coming in. Mostly down the runway. Whew. Alright, let's bring this to a stop and we'll try one more takeoff. Winds calm down just a little bit. See if we can make this a little bit smoother than the last one. Keep it out of the trees. Or not so smooth. Okay, we're going around the trees. Okay, we're going around. I think we're gonna have to bring it in though this time because I'm getting that pulsing again. like the cold. Even on a prop plane, flying a jet right now would just be suicidal to your battery and potentially the plane too. There we go. I think we ought to take that because now we're getting veering winds to the southeast. So there you have it. Nice sunset to end the flight. We'll see if we post this YouTube. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. The Arrows Bearcat 1.1 meter equipped with an ESC to handle 4S. Makes this plane a lot nicer to fly. Got a video on that when the weather is much more palatable, shall we say. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Mark with Ultimate RC.